There are beekeepers and goalies known as keepers, and that special someone could be a keeper. Today, though, we're looking at a belt keeper.
Hello friends, I'm Nancy, and this belt keeper loop needs repair.
So we gather a sturdy needle that can puncture leather, strong thread, and super glue. We have a small piece of cardboard ready for the gluing. We'll also use needle nose pliers and finally scissors, or optionally a rotary cutter with mat and snips. Oh yes, we may need a thimble too.
Now let's get going with our belt repair.
This belt keeper loop was held together with staples. But the leather is torn and the staples don't hold both ends of the keeper together anymore. We remove those staples using our needle nose pliers. We trim the ragged keeper ends so the ends fit more neatly together. We can use a rotary cutter or scissors for that. There is some loose stitching on the keeper, so we snip off that thread. With our knotted, double-threaded needle, we sew new stitches to bind the leather layers of the keeper together. We use an end knot to secure our new stitches. We slide one end of the keeper through the buckle casing and out the other side. Then we use our knotted double-threaded needle to sew the aligned keeper ends together using a thimble when needed. We finish our stitches with an end knot. We place our piece of cardboard under the belt buckle. We then apply super glue to the keeper ends where they are sewn together, but only use a bit and use the tip of the glue tube to spread the glue across the keeper seam. Watch out for super glue, it can glue our fingers together. So we're careful with it and follow the directions on the label. If the glue gets on our fingers, we can use nail polish remover that has acetone in it.
We let the glue dry for a few minutes, which should be enough. And while we're waiting, we know that repairing clothing offers a number of benefits. A few are that we save money because we don't have to replace the item, and we reduce waste because we don't have to throw it away. Also, we learn a new skill and have the satisfaction of fixing something that was broken.
We give the keeper seam a little tug to be sure that the glue is set. Once the seam is strong, we rotate the seam to the inside of the buckle casing, trying to get the seam in the middle point, making sure that the keeper is parallel to the bottom of the buckle. Once we have it in the parallel position, we put a drop of glue on each side of the keeper where it meets the casing and spread it with the glue tip. We squeeze the casing and the keeper together for a short time while it sets. We can read the label for how many seconds that would be. We let the glue dry and then,
a few minutes later,
we test the keeper with a little tug to be sure that it's secure. We snip off any stray thread.
And the belt is ready to wear again. Until next time.